Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Study of Science. Myself, Ramya. In this session, now let us study about the female reproductive part. We are going to study about the female reproductive part. So then, let's have a look at the parts of the female reproductive organ. The female reproductive organ it contains a pair of ovaries. A pair of ovaries means there are two ovary. Okay? So then the next part is the oviduct. Oviduct is also called as the fallopian tube. I repeat, the oviduct is also called as the fallopian tube. This is the second important part. And the third important part is the uterus. The third important part is the uterus. There are so many other parts as well in the human female reproductive organ, but we are going to mainly focus on these three parts. They are the ovaries, oviduct, and the uterus. We are going to mainly study about these three parts in this year. Then let us start by understanding the first part, that is ovary. Then what is the function of ovary? What is the importance or the presence of ovary in the human female reproductive organ? You know, the ovary, it produces the gametes. What are gametes then? Gametes are called as the sex cells, right? So this ovary, it produces the female sex cells. That means the female gametes, which are called as ovum. Ovum is also called as egg. If there are so many ovum, then we call it as ova. I repeat, if there is single egg, then we call it as ovum. If there are so many eggs, we call it as ova. Okay. So what is the function of ovary? Ovary produces the female sex cells, that is the female gametes, which are called as ova, that is eggs. And the next part is the fallopian tube. This fallopian tube is also called as oviduct. There is a pair of fallopian tube, as we have a pair of ovaries. For each ovary there is a fallopian tube. So there is a pair of fallopian tube. Okay. So the fallopian tube is a region where a single matured egg is released from the ovary every month. See, if you look at the ovary, this is a region where egg is produced, and the egg which is produced inside this ovary will get matured. So every month one matured egg from this ovary will reach to the fallopian tube, which is also called as oviduct. Why do this egg reach to this fallopian tube? If you ask me, this egg will wait for the sperm to meet. Why it has to meet the sperm? To make the fertilization to happen. So every month one mature egg from the ovary will get into the fallopian tube. It will wait for a certain period of time and then it comes out. Okay. So what is the function of fallopian tube? It receives one matured egg from the ovary every month. Clear? Then finally the third important part which we have to understand this year is the uterus. So what is the function of uterus then? You know, the uterus is a region where actually the development of embryo takes place. What is meant by an embryo? Embryo is called as a fertilized egg. Fertilized egg means, when does that egg get fertilized? When there is fusion of male and the female gamete takes place, then the egg get fertilized. Once the egg get fertilized, what happen? There is a formation of embryo. And once this embryo is formed, this will get developed in uterus. Uterus is a region where actually it helps in the development of embryo. I repeat, it helps in the development of embryo. So what are the three major parts which you have studied in this session now? You have studied about the ovary, then oviduct, and then uterus. Let us once again recall what is the function of ovary. Ovary is the region where the female sex cells produce or produces. Okay. Then what is the importance of fallopian tube? Fallopian tube, it receives the one matured egg from the ovary every month. And then what about the uterus? Uterus is a region where it actually helps in the development of embryo. Once the egg get fertilized, then what happen? Embryo will be formed, and that embryo will be taken care in the region of uterus. Okay, so like sperm, as I told you that the sperm is a single cell, right? The sperm contains a single cell. Even the egg also contains the single cell. So that's all about the female reproductive organ. I hope this video was very useful to you. If you feel this video is very useful, please share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Once you hit the bell notification, you will receive all the videos which I upload to you. And that's all for this session. I'm signing off. Thank you.